Imagine designing a complex 3D model in seconds, not hours. What if artificial intelligence could do the heavy lifting in CAD? In today's video, we'll explore generative AI for CAD automation, the latest trend revolutionizing mechanical design. What is generative AI in CAD? Traditional CAD, designer creates geometry manually, sketch, extrude, constraints. Generative AI uses machine learning plus optimization to automatically generate multiple design options based on input requirements. Think of it as you give the problem, AI gives you design solutions. How it works? Simple flow. 1. Inputs from engineer, design requirements, load, weight, material, safety factor. Constraints, dimensions, no-go zones. Performance goals, lightweight, cost, manufacturability. 2. AI engine, generative model. Algorithms, topology optimization, reinforcement learning, diffusion models. Tools, Autodesk Fusion 360 generative design, Siemens NX with AI, Dassault 3D experience. 3. Outputs, multiple optimized CAD models, ranked by weight, cost, performance. Ready to modify in CAD. Latest trends, 2024 to 2025. AI-driven design assistants, Autodesk Copilot, Siemens AI in NX. Generative AI plus simulation integration. AI generates, runs FEA CFD automatically. AI for drafting and detailing, automatic dimensioning, tolerance suggestions. AI and PLM ERP integration, linking CAD models directly with BOM and costing. Cloud's AI collaboration, multiple engineers co-design with AI in real time. Real-world applications. Aerospace, lightweight brackets, Airbus using generative design. Automotive, EV chassis optimization for crash plus weight. Industrial equipment, compressor housings, pump impellers optimized for flow and strength. Medical, customized implants, prosthetics with organic shapes. Advantages, faster design cycles, lightweight yet strong designs, reduces design iterations and errors. Sustainable, less material waste. Challenges, high computational cost, need for skilled engineers to validate results, manufacturing feasibility, organic shapes often require 3D printing. IP and trust issues with AI-generated designs. Future of AI in CAD, AI as co-pilot designer, not replacing engineers but enhancing them. AI integrated with IoT feedback, products improve themselves. Generative AI for automated GA drawings, piping layouts in oil and gas. Quick question for you. If AI generates 10 design options, who should be responsible for final approval? AI, the engineer, or both? Drop your answer in the comments. And that's how generative AI is transforming CAD automation. If you're a designer or engineer, the future is already here, and it's AI-powered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 3D Decode for more cutting-edge engineering content. See you in the next video.